Today is going to be a busy day. Let's get started. Today is the start. 1st of October, Vlogtober. This isn't new, creators have done it before, and I have to admit, many creators have struggled to come up with content every day. That does scare me a little bit, but I'm also excited to bring to you what my life is like at MRC on a daily basis. From morning routines to editing to packing for my trip to America that's going to last 1 month. This stuff is all going into my suitcase and I'm still not done. There's like tons and tons to pack. If I'm going to be in the US for a month, I'm going to need quite a few things. Music to listen to, Kindle, sunglasses, cables, money. Isabella even gave me this Monte Carlo casino chip to try out my luck. Let's begin. That's a video I released yesterday about podcast editing tips. It's gone a bit nuts, loads of comments on there, thank you for that. I do my best to read and respond to as many comments, pretty much all the comments I can on my YouTube channel. Couldn't do it without this app though, thanks to Ian Anderson Gray. He recommended me to try out Agora Pulse. It's a fantastic app, look at this. And essentially collects the YouTube comments from your channel into a big inbox so you can reply in order to everything. Without that, there's no way I could keep up with all your comments, but I do read them all. Really enjoy reading them, and now, right now, I'm responding to them. Lunch by someone who cares. This is really strange. I've no idea what's inside this. Thank you, Editor's Keys. I think I know what this is now. And if it is what I think it is, I'm really excited. Editor's Keys, lovely branded box, and inside, whoa, look at that. Look at that. That is an Adobe Audition keyboard for Mac from Editor's Keys. Claire, my hairdresser, is here. You can come in, you can come in. And she's going to cut my hair on Vlogtober, so is it going to go really short today?
Yes. Okay. Short back and sides.
Oh, awesome.